I activate this card. Well, I activate this card. Then I activate this card. And I activate this card. Activate this card. I activate this. Well, I activate this. And I activate your mama. Then I activate... What? You heard me, Kaiba. Your mama.
What's up, guys? Rare Hunter 758 here, and today we got another opening for you guys. But before we get started into today's video, we have a giveaway. We have 2 commons of OCG, Rise of the Duels, and we have 1 OCG pack, Chaos Impact. All you guys gotta do is like the video, comment down below what was your favorite pull in the opening. That's it, and you guys will be entered for the giveaway. So let's get straight into it. We have 1 pack for myself of Shadow Specters and 1 pack of the new challengers. The reason being that I only have 2 packs is that we have lots of packs for you guys that you guys purchased off me. So we have more than enough to go around. But we'll just open my packs first since I have the fewest packs in this video. Hopefully get a foil at least. We have Bujingi, Battling Boxer, Rabbit Puncher, Vampire Grace, Soul Drainer Dragon, Archfiend Giant, Bujingi Boar, Ghost Trickstein, Arm Protected Dragon, and Night Day Greffer. Once again, we are not lucky with the Shadow Specters. Hopefully we can get this Ghost Rare, the cover card. I believe it's the XYZ Dragon. Watchdog, Super Heavy Samurai Kabuto, Misjudge, Lindblum, Stellar Knight Cirrus, and we have a Herald of the Arc Light, super rare, 1st edition. Nice. Definitely gonna sleeve this card up. Oh, just change sleeves real quick. We have Command Performance, Stellar Knight, and we have Hex Stellar Knight. That's it for my pulls. Alright, so let's go. Who's got the fewest packs? Let's go with Card Breaker GT. He's bought 6 packs, I believe, or 5 packs. Yeah, 5 packs, so he's got the fewest. So he does have an Instagram, guys, and I believe he said he's gonna have a YouTube channel up soon. I assume for Yu-Gi-Oh openings. So go check him out, guys. I'll have him down in the link below. Really appreciate the support, brother. Let's get him a secret rare, hopefully a Starlight, something crazy. Come on, let's do this. We have a Grid Rod, Samorg Onslaught, Defender of the Labyrinth, and we start with a Hypernova Burst. So this set is guaranteed to give you a super rare. That's not what we want. Rising Fire, Dino Wrestler, DMZ Dragon, Beat Raptor, and Sigmorg Bird of Camility. So this set is pretty old, and hopefully we can get something crazy today. Maybe another secret rare. This set is getting harder to find. We have a Link Mailed Archfiend, super rare. And we have the Desperate Doom Eagles, rare. Link Back, Fucho, and Blockout Curtain. Come on, let's get him something better than a super rare, guys. So we have Dwimmered Glimmer, Defender of the Labyrinth, FA Shining Star GT, Reversible Beetle, and a secret rare Witchcrafter Golem Aru. Nice. So we did end up pulling him something incredible. What a beauty. So first secret rare in the video. Alright, we got 2 more packs for him. Yosinju Wind Worship, Smorg Onslaught, number 29 Mannequin Cat, Rescue, Interlacer, Dreamer of Joy, super rare, Vic Viper T301, Reptilian, Rebellion, Lima, Draw Discharge, and World Legacy Bestowal. Last pack, guys, for Cardbreaker GT. Be sure to check him out on his Instagram and YouTube. Well, eventually he'll have his YouTube channel. Dino Wrestler, Marshall Anklo, Yosinju Sabu, Smorg, FA Shining GT, and White Aura Minosaurus. The Wind Charmer. And unfortunately, just another super rare. Let's take all the foils. Alright guys, we're back. And now we got M Junior Silly. Alright, so M Junior Silly's got 6 packs of Rising Rampage. So let's just go straight into it. Hopefully we can also pull him a secret rare or a Starlight. Come on guys. And we start out with a super rare Smorg Lord of the Storm. It's the first time I'm seeing this card. Tenya Spirit, nice. Cross Debug. We have Defender's Elaborate, Smorg. Come on, let's see. We have a Yosinju Hittot, super rare. Come on, it's not what we're looking for, guys. You have a Grid Rod, Smorg, and I was about to say, where the hell is the super rare? We have a Smorg Lord of the Storm again, not back to back, but he's got 2 of them already. We have Lima. Alright, let's see. Uh-oh. I might have spoiled it. We have a Smorg again, Yosinju Wind Worship, Smorg Bird of Protection, number 29, and a super rare, secret rare Cap Shell. Unfortunately, this is the worst secret rare. I'm sorry, bro. We try to get you something good. At least you got a secret rare, but this is not the one you want to pull, man. This is like the worst one you could pull in the set. And we try to get you something good, and it backfires. I guess that's just the way it goes. At least you pull 2 secret rares though from Rising Rampage. Usually that's that averages for a box. 2 secrets, I believe. Alright. He's got 2 packs left. Come on, can we get him ultra rare? Starlight? Let's see what we get. These are first ed, so obviously we can pull Starlight. Morpheus the Dreamer White Knight, super rare. It's actually pretty cool looking super rare. We have World Legacy Bestowal. Last pack for M Junior _ Silly. Come on, Matt. Let's get you something crazy. Smorg Onslaught. Uh-oh, what is that? Don't tell me it's the dolphin thing again. Dream Mirror Fantasy, and another secret rare! What is this guy's luck? Fortune Lady Every. Wow, this is the first time I've seen this card in this set. Wow, man, you are really lucky. Extremely lucky. This man pulled 2 secret rares out of 6 packs. Who does that? This is ridiculous. 2 secret rares. Mind you, these are packs. These are packs I randomly pick out in the card shop. Beat Raptor, Fury of Fire. So I'm pretty sure he's gonna be happy about this. And I think anybody out of 6 packs would be happy. Last but not least, we got my man Eric. Always supporting the channel, always buying these packs. He just loves these first ed Chaos Impact, and he bought some Rising Rampage. I have, in the time of recording, I literally just restocked and you guys bought me all out of Rising Rampage, so I'll definitely pick some more up in the near future, Rising Rampage. And I still have some Chaos Impact in this time of recording. Hopefully we can sell out of that too, so I can restock in that. So we have Dino Wrestler, Mirage, Evil Tile, Bye Bye Damage, and Peaceful Burial, starting with a super rare. We have a rich Spiritual Entanglement as our rare, Desert Locust, and we have the Burning Star. So this is another set, guys. That's first edition, and we have a good chance. Not a good chance, but we have a chance at a Starlight. I definitely want to pull another Starlight on this channel. Gizmek Yada, the Gleaming Vanguard. Gotta love it. We have a Tyrant Farm, Marine Says Snow, and Marine Says Wonderheart. So we have a Bye Bye Damage, Protocol Gardener, Tachyon Spiral Galaxy, and a super rare Honor Neros, the Dream Mirror, Arrow King. Nebula Dragon as our rare, and the World Legacy. Last pack, guys, come on. What can we get for our man Eric in Chaos Impact? He's got 3 super rares back to back. Wide Train and another super rare, unfortunately, the Dream Mirror Friend. And a rare Gladiator Beast United. And Escaped of the Unchained. No worries, he's got 5 packs of Rising Rampage, so he should have a good chance at something good, hopefully. These are loose packs, so anything can happen, like maybe pull 2 secrets back to back. BES Blaster Cannon Core, super rare. And we have a Vic Viper T301 as our rare. Come on, guys. Hit that like button. We pulled 3 secrets in one video. That's ridiculous. We got a super rare Dreamer of Terror. Come on, we gotta get him something good. Fist of the Unrivaled Tenya. Yosinju. Down to 3 packs. The Return to the Normal. Reversible Beetle. Smorg of Darkness. Nice. This is a pretty cool looking one. First time seeing this one as well. Like I said, I hardly opened Rising Rampage for myself. I bought a whole display box and got 1 secret rare out of that. And I never bought that set again for myself. So you can see why I never buy this set for myself. And we have the Dream Mirror White Knight super rare. And we got Star Power and Beat Raptor. Last pack, guys. Come on. What can we get? Dwimmered Glimmer. Defender of the Labyrinth. FA Shining Star GT. And a Smorg Lord of the Storm super rare. The Malevolent. His Malevolent Majesty. Fighting Dirty. Fury of the Fire. And Cataclysm Cryonic Coldo. Oh, that's a mouthful. This guy's pulled literally 2 secrets. I'm still in shock. In the same set. I think, he pulled 3 secrets. I don't even know how that's possible. But we pulled 3 secret rares, guys. That's crazy. Extremely crazy. That's it, guys, for the video. If you enjoyed the video, like that video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. In the time recording, we're about to hit 1K, less than 200 away. So I really appreciate you guys that watch the videos and aren't subscribed. Subscribe, hit that red button, and also ring that bell for notifications so you can see future uploads. I'm RayHunter758. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh, and we got Chaos Emperor Dragon. We pulled it. We pulled the collector's rare. Oh, we got it. We got it, guys. Oh, 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 oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh, third copy. What?